One of the famous interview questions which you can face in the big fours as well as in the other firms is that can you tell me something which is not in your resume? This question I was faced by the Ernst Young, and Ernst Young company mein I got rejected because I was unable to answer this question. But you might face the same question in the near future, and आपको इस particular चीज के लिए एक variety of answers मिल जाएंगे इंटरनेट पे, but they already have surfed the internet, they already know which type of answers you can give. So आप ऐसे situation में what you can give, you have already added lot of things in the resume. अपने resume में already सब कुछ add कर दिया जो आपने जिंदगी में किया है, करने की कोशिश की है. तो अभी जो है ये आपको क्वेश्चन एक बहुत ही आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स लगेगा कि टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ व्हिच इज नॉट इन योर resume. So where you should answer, what you should answer in this particular topic. तो चलिए आज की वीडियो में इसी को हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. My name is Vivek. I try uploading a good educational content which can really help in your career as well as let you grow in the near future. So सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि really expecting you to answer the particular question. So first of all, अब देखिए आपने resume में सब कुछ ऐड किया है and they don't have the time to get into the resume. That is why they are trying to ask you, tell me something about yourself which is not in the resume. तो इसका सबसे और आसान आंसर यही होता है कि देखिए आपको समझने की जरूरत है कि आपने रेज्यूमे में सब कुछ ऐड कर दिया है, तो व्हाट इज लेफ्ट, क्या है. देखिए कुछ भी लेफ्ट नहीं है, आपको कुछ आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स भी आंसर देने की जरूरत नहीं है. इफ देयर इज समथिंग व्हिच इज रियली हिडन इन योर रेज्यूमे, ट्राई टू impress them through that. Like for example, मेरा एक YouTube channel, so I will tell कि मैंने लिखा है एक YouTube channel, but I will really say कि I have uploaded 1,000 number of videos and then I'm getting this much. But अगर for example आपके पास ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, then try to talk about the passion which you had. Like for example आपने एक business करने का सोचा था तो आपने वहां पर किया. So I have a very strategic mind. I tried to upgrade this particular business and suddenly I understood these are the faults which I had and I tried improving it, this and that. ऐसे करके आप resume में कुछ ऐसा नहीं है तो वो आप बता सकते हो. Like for example you can also talk about the hobby which you have listed but in the another way. For example like मैं किताबें लिखता हूँ, youने लिखा book reading, but talk about a particular book which really fascinated you and tried to impress the particular audience. Like for example the interviewers की भाई बहुत ही मजा आ गया. Like what a startup can do. Like for example you can also talk about like the financing part. You try investing in the stock market, you want to talk about that. Okay, for example I have recently started investing and suddenly I saw a great boom in this particular stock and I have gained a lot of much. तो ये आप बता सकते हो. या फिर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप कुछ अलग अलग पैशंस के बारे में बता सकते हो. लड़कियां जैसे बता सकती हैं कि दे हैव ट्राइड दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टफ्स in the college. Like for example they have participated in code chef or other coding events and they were never expecting this and they suddenly she got her name in the top fours. तो ऐसे भी आप लोग कर सकते हो कि कुछ ऐसा चीज जो लिखे हुए हैं बट एक अनदर वे से अगर आप समझाए तो देखिए क्या पता शायद ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल आंसर्स आपके लिए बन सकता है. सो ट्राई टू इम्प्रेस द इंटरव्यूअर्स विथ योर एंगेजिंग साउंड्स and never try to answer while they were speaking. तो उनका जब बात पूरी खत्म हो जाए, take a 2-second pause and then try to answer the question automatically and with a smile. Never try to give those type of examples which you somehow failed, because failures no one likes. ये इंडिया है, इंडिया में failures no one likes. So that is why try to impress with the failure and also give an advance कि मैंने इसको कैसे कैसे improve किया and this how this is like my way of taking everything in a positive way. तो इस चीज को आप लोग जो है try to impress कर सकते हैं. Like for example if you are given an anchor, you've been an anchor in an event, this and that which really fascinated you and also created a spark in your profile. तो वीडियो को पसंद आया दोस्तों तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, चैनल के सब्सक्राइब and write your answers of this particular question. Tell me about yourself which is not in the resume in the comment box, and good comments I will surely like and give a feedback upon it.